I think a big question on people's minds are, are we going to be getting more rate cuts, and what can we expect with the remainder of the year? Any thoughts on that?
Yeah, I mean, I think you're right on the money. All eyes were on that in terms of the focus, really all year long. I mean, people have been looking at unemployment. They've been looking at the economic growth. And the Fed finally came out and said, hey, we're going to go ahead and start the series of easing now that inflation is a little bit more under control. So if you look at the sell side kind of consensus from Goldman, from JP Morgan, those folks, it's really 2 to 3 rate cuts this year. We've already seen one, so we'll find out if we see another cut later this week. Or excuse me, next week. And then from there, you'll skip November and then we'll look into December. So odds are pretty high that we'll see at least one, if not two, between now and year end. And then into next year, the data looks pretty compelling that we're going to see another probably 2 to 3. So they're definitely on the way to looser policy, and we'll see where it ends up in terms of the terminal rate, but we're in a new cutting cycle, that's for sure.